Sabrina. At Lollicup, when we think summer, we think lemonade. A nostalgic drink so simple, children make it and sell it on the sidewalk. Today, we're teaming up with DaVinci Gourmet to take your lemonade game to the next level. We're using DaVinci's flavored syrups to make fun variations to this cold classic beverage. Before we do, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more. And with that, let's get started. Wildberry Lemonade. In a cocktail shaker, add DaVinci raspberry syrup, strawberry syrup, blueberry syrup, fresh lemon juice, and water. Place the top on the shaker and shake for 10 seconds to ensure the syrup is diluted. Pour your lemonade in a glass and garnish with lemon slices. Summer slush. In a blender, add water, lemon juice, DaVinci watermelon syrup, and ice. Blend until smooth. Pour in a glass and garnish with lemon slice. Frosted Lemon-Limeade. In a blender, add lemon juice, DaVinci lime syrup, and water. Blend for a few seconds. Add vanilla ice cream and blend for a few more seconds. Pour and then garnish with whipped cream and lemon zest. And there you have it, 3 delicious variations to the classic lemonade using DaVinci flavored syrups. DaVinci has dozens of other flavors great in any iced beverage or your morning coffee. If you want to learn more about DaVinci, click the links in the description down below. While you're down there, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click subscribe. We have so many more recipe videos to share with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care.